What's up guys, and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice algebra math simplification problem right here. So let's simply get started. So we have the equation to be the square root of 6 minus the square root of 35. So we have this to be the square root of 6 minus, now the square root of that 35 can be expressed as 5 multiply what 7. But if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equals to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So hence we have this to be the square root of 6 minus the square root of 5 multiply the square root of what? 7. So we have this to be the square root of, we have 6 minus the square root of 5 multiply the square root of 7. So we want to simply divide this by 2, divide what? 2, because we know that 2 divided 2 is equals to what? 1. Alright, so this is equal to the square root of 2 multiplied 6 is 12 minus 2 multiply the root of 5, the root of 7. We have 2 multiply the root of 5 multiply the root of 7 divide, we have this to be what? 2. But we know that 5 plus 7 is equals to what? 12. So we have this to be the square root. Now in place of 12, we're going to put 5 plus 7 minus 2 multiply the square root of 5 and multiply the square root of what? 7, and this is going to divide what? 2. So we have this to be equal to the square root of, now we can easily express 5 to be the square root of 5 or square plus the square root of 7 or square minus 2 multiply the square root of 5 multiply the square root of 7 divide what? 2. So we are going to say if a is equals to the square root of 5 and b is equals to the square root of 7, then we know that a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to a minus b or square. Alright, so applying this, we have this to be the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7 or square divide what? 2. But we know that if we have the square root of a divide b, this is equal to the square root of a divide the square root of what? B. So we have this to be equal to the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7 or square divide the square root of 2. So this is equal to, this we cancel out this, so we have the absolute value of the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7 divide the square root of 2. But guys, we want to note something. If we have the absolute value of x, this is equals to x if x is what? Positive. Alright, and the absolute value of x is equals to negative x if x is what? Negative. Alright, now let's take a look at the absolute value of the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7. Now from this is less than what? 0. So since it is less than 0, it is what? Negative. Okay, so we want to simply apply this right here. So we have this to be minus the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7 divide what? The square root of what? 2. So multiply through the brackets by the negative sign, we have minus the square root of 5, minus times minus is plus root 7, divide the square root of what? 2. So rearranging this, we have this to be the square root of 7 minus the square root of 5, divide the square root of 2. So we want to simply what? Rationalize. So rationalizing, we have this to be the square root of 7 minus the square root of 5, divide the square root of 2, multiply the square root of 2 divide the square root of 2. So this is equals to the square root of 2 multiply the square root of 7 minus the square root of 2 multiply the square root of 5 divide the square root of 2 multiply the square root of 2. But if we have the square root of a multiply the square root of b, this is equals to the square root of what? Ab. So we have this to be the square root of 2 multiply 7 is 14 minus the square root of 2 multiply 5 is 10 divide. Now for the denominator, we have this to be the square root of 2 multiply the square root of 2. We have this to be the square root of what? 4. And the square root of 4 is what? 2. So we have this to be what? 2. And this becomes the final answer. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice algebra math simplification problem. And with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.